Sitting on 5 acres, this beautiful custom-built home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, vaulted ceiling, custom cabinets, hardwood floors and a large utility with canning area. It also includes a workshop, tool shed and established garden, all on an awesome piece of land. Priced at $249,900, this home is waiting for you and your family. The rock and cedar home has double-pane windows, geothermal heat, central air conditioning and a metal roof. It also has a full, mostly finished walkout basement. The home also has a covered front and back porch, screened porch and 1-car garage. A lovely spot to sit and enjoy the view is right here on your covered front porch or the similar one on the back of the house. Notice the beautiful rock steps leading into the house and the decorative shutters on the windows. Enjoy the great outdoors without being eaten alive by insects in this covered screened porch. This yard is large and provides a lot of space for the children to run and play. It includes a few shade trees and lots of green grass. Grow your vegetables in this established garden and then prep them in the canning area in the utility room. Lots of storage is inside the tool shed, providing plenty of space for all of your gardening supplies. The 20 by 24 workshop includes a concrete floor and electricity. Enter the home and be amazed by how beautiful it is. With an open floor plan, wood vaulted ceiling, stone fireplace with blowers, planter shelves and hardwood floors, this is a breathtaking home. With plenty of space for a large table, this dining room is beautiful. It too has hardwood flooring, pretty light fixture and French doors leading to the back deck. Nice and open, this room is gorgeous and spacious. The dining area is open to the kitchen, creating an easy work and socializing environment. The kitchen area has an island with Korean countertops, gorgeous Albany cabinets, striking light fixtures and tile floor. On the right is a beautiful built-in china cabinet. Notice the stonework around the stove and the floating shelf above it. The included appliances are an electric range, dishwasher and refrigerator. Display your fine china or everyday dishes in this built-in china cabinet. This large pantry has plenty of storage for both your canned goods and your small kitchen appliances and dishes. Straight ahead is the utility room. This utility room is spacious. It includes the washer-dryer area and even enough extra space for a freezer. On the far end is a canning prep area with large garden sink. Lots of natural light is provided by all the windows in the large master suite. Overhead is a pretty ceiling fan and hardwood is on the floor. The master bath includes a dual sink vanity with storage, bathtub and shower. The floor in here is tile. Relax and enjoy a bubble bath here in your deep soaker tub. In addition to this tub, the bathroom also has a shower. Bedroom 2 is also large with a lot of windows. Notice the TV jack over the dresser. There are TV and phone jacks in every room in addition to a sound system. This is the 3rd bedroom on the main floor. It too is a good size and includes hardwood floor and ceiling fan. This room is comfy and cozy and a great place to sit, relax and enjoy a good book. It includes lots of bookshelves and stained concrete floor.